So I adopted these two cats, and they're both very cute. One of them has a really sweet meow, and one of them sounds like she's been smoking for the past 50 years.
People have been saying that like my cat has a huge limp when he walks and that I should have taken him to the vet months ago. I'm like, I feel like such a bad pet owner for not noticing this until now. He's missing a leg.
Yes, sir. I'd like to take your statement.
My grandma took in a pregnant stray cat, and 2 weeks ago she had her babies. Which one is your favorite?
This is Sailor. My fiance and I adopted him only a couple months after we started dating. It's been 2 years, and it's been a blessing to see him grow and see his personality shine. But we noticed after a while that it seemed that he was getting lonely and bored. Ever since the stray cats outside stopped by, he never stopped looking outside, so we thought he might need a friend. Sailor and I did some research because we wanted to see if another cat was a good idea. We did a lot of thinking and praying, and then we thought, why not? So we went to the shelter, we got ourselves a quarantine kitty. His name is Flash because he's super fast. On the way home, it was already clear that he had a great personality, and when we got home, he made himself right at home. Sailor's super excited to meet his new brother, but we gotta make sure we give him a couple days to get ready for it. But right now, we're keeping them at a distance, but I'm sure they're gonna be best friends.
Good morning. Yeah, let's talk about the president while I'm recording a video. Hey Mabel, you want to show everybody what dinner time looks like for you? Ah! It's a kitten feeding frenzy! These are all fosters, so they'll be ready for adoption in a few to several weeks. So many kittens.
So like for me, since I have, what the hell? What the hell did you come from? What the fuck did you come from, dude?
Here's my Friday afternoon snack. Cheers, Mum, for the money.